Automating spreadsheets is a major upgrade for anyone looking to increase efficiency. Many beginners spend hours every week manually copying data, formatting reports, and sending email updates, unaware that Google Sheets has built-in features that can handle these repetitive tasks automatically. Automation does not require complex scripting skills or hiring a developer. You can start by using simple built-in features and basic scripts to streamline your daily workflows. This video provides a practical introduction to Google Sheets automation for beginners and busy professionals. We will explain how to set up automated data imports, write your first app script macro, and establish automated triggers that run even when your computer is turned off. You will learn how to reduce manual data entry, eliminate human error, and build self-updating spreadsheets. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to automate your first workflow and reclaim valuable time. First, let us explore the simplest form of automation, using built-in Google Sheets functions and data connectors. Before writing code, you should leverage tools like ImportFEED, Importmo, and ImportXML, which fetch data from external websites directly into your cells. For instance, if you need to track currency exchange rates or stock prices, you can use Google Finance to update values in real time without manual input. Beyond web functions, Google Sheets allows you to link forms to your sheets using Google Forms. Instead of manually entering surveys or expense requests, you can distribute a link to a form. Every submission is automatically logged as a new row in your spreadsheet. This integration acts as a clean, standardized data entry portal that prevents users from accidentally breaking your sheet's formatting or formulas. Furthermore, you can use conditional formatting rules to automate visual signals in your reports. By setting rules that highlight late payments in red or completed tasks in green, your sheet automatically surfaces priority issues for your team. Using these built-in tools is the standard first step in spreadsheet automation, as they require zero programming knowledge and are highly stable. They allow you to establish a solid foundation of automated data collection and status tracking, ensuring that your core datasets are routinely populated with fresh information before you proceed to build advanced scripts or complex macro workflows. Additionally, you can use the ImportRange function to automatically pull data from separate workbooks. This is extremely useful when combining team updates into a single dashboard. Instead of having everyone edit one master file, which often leads to formatting conflicts and accidental deletions, each team member can maintain their own sheet. Your master sheet will then query these external files in the background, keeping your high-level overview updated without any manual copy-paste effort on your part. This simple architectural shift creates a clean data pipeline, protecting your master reports while still giving you access to real-time updates from across your organization. By setting up these built-in links, you establish a system that gathers information quietly while you focus on other work. Second, we must examine how to record and edit macros to automate repetitive formatting and data cleaning tasks. A macro is a recorded sequence of actions that you can replay with a keyboard shortcut or a single button click. In Google Sheets, you can record a macro by navigating to the extensions menu and selecting the macro recorder. For example, if you receive a weekly export file that requires you to delete 3 columns, apply a bold header, format dates, and sort by sales volume, you can record yourself performing these steps once. Google Sheets translates your actions into a JavaScript-based language called AppScript. To reuse the macro, you simply select it from your menu, and the spreadsheet executes the entire cleaning process in seconds. Once you are comfortable recording macros, you can open the Apps Script editor to review and customize the generated code. You do not need to write AppScript from scratch. You can make minor adjustments to the recorded script, such as changing a range reference from a fixed cell like A1 to a dynamic range that expands as new rows are added. This editing process helps you understand the basic syntax of spreadsheet code, building your confidence to write custom automation scripts that go beyond basic formatting. To start, open a clean spreadsheet and perform a simple recording task, such as applying a specific border style and background color to a cell range. When you save the macro, name it clearly, and assign a unique shortcut key. Open the Extensions tab, click on App Script, and look at the code. You will see structured commands like getActiveSpreadsheet and getRange. By reading these lines, you can begin to see how the system represents your spreadsheet elements as code objects. This understanding is highly empowering because it allows you to edit the code directly, such as updating text labels or changing calculations, without needing to record the entire macro again. This is much faster than studying textbooks, as you immediately work with functional code in your workbook. Finally, we must address automation triggers, which allow your scripts to run automatically based on specific events. Triggers are the engines of true spreadsheet automation. In Google Sheets, you can configure triggers to run your app script functions when a user edits a cell, opens the sheet, or submits a form. More importantly, you can set up time-driven triggers that execute your scripts at specific hours or days. For example, you can write a script that formats a weekly report and emails it to your manager, and then set a time-driven trigger to run this script every Friday morning at 9. This automation runs on Google's cloud servers, meaning it executes consistently even if you are offline or away from your desk. When setting up triggers, you should follow a basic auditing checklist to ensure reliability. First, consistently test your script manually before attaching a trigger to verify it runs without errors. Second, set up error notification emails so you are alerted immediately if a script fails. Third, keep your scripts simple and focused on a single task, which reduces execution timeouts and keeps your automation running smoothly. By mastering these built-in tools, macros, and triggers, you turn your spreadsheets into self-running engines that work in the background, allowing you to focus on high-value analysis and strategic decisions. Furthermore, be mindful of Google's daily script execution limits. Free accounts have quotas on email volume and trigger runtime, so design your scripts to process data in batches rather than running on every single cell edit. If your dataset is very large, consider triggering your script hourly instead of on every change to keep your resource usage clean. When you set up automated error alerts, make sure they are sent to an email inbox you check regularly. This ensures that if a database connection breaks or a column header changes, you can log in and resolve the issue before it impacts your team's reporting. Building robust automation means planning for these small exceptions, ensuring your systems remain stable over the long term. Data Skills Sprint teaches practical data skills for beginners and busy professionals. We break down spreadsheets, SQL, dashboards, automation, and analyst workflows into short, clear lessons. Every video is designed to help you learn one useful skill and apply it immediately at work. This video is general data education, not a guarantee of career placement, salary increase, or software certification. Code syntax and software UI change over time.